Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about industrial or if you have any kind of industry or construction or any kind of business, then if you want to make it as a social presence or you want to build up your website, this is the perfect theme for your website, right? So with the help of WordPress CMS, and if you use this theme you will be able to do a lot of things. And the best part about this theme is that it is compatible with Elementor also. And I am pretty sure that if you are very little bit of aware about the page builder industry, then you must be knowing the Elementor name, that this is the one of the best page builder out there. So we will try to import the whole website on our demo website, right? So as you can see, as this says that it has 36 plus demo section. So let it load, then I will show you what the official author express about the whole theme. And if you want to go out through the documentation section of this whole theme, then you can always scroll down to the official website and always check out what these people say before buying it. Okay, so the official website is not loading up for the moment, but I will tell you how you can install this whole theme on your website in very super easy steps. Okay, so first of all you need to buy this theme. Once you bought this theme on your system, you have the file. Okay, so you need to come to your website. This is my demo domain, right? tutorial.srmehranclub.com. Okay, and I will install that particular theme on this domain. First of all, you need to log into your domain, click on your link and type wp admin, and you will be redirected to your domain. This is quite wrong. You just need to type wp admin and you will be redirected to your domain. Okay, backend, basically this is the backend. And if you're logging in for the first time, then it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your cPanel. Okay, so once you are logged in here, this is the backend. You will get a lot of things on the left hand side. These are the general settings. Okay, I will give you a quick tour what it is exactly. Under the settings section you will see general setting, reading setting, writing setting, discussion, or permalink. Permalink is pretty important. You need to set up the permalink very first step when you install WordPress. Okay, because this is one of the important aspect of SEO, like search engine optimization. Okay, so this is the best permalink structure. This is the URL structure which you get for your website. So under the tool section you will be able to find import tool, export tool. You can check your site health, you can reset your website, everything and all that. And under the appearance user section, you can create multiple user and assign them different role. Like somebody would be manager, admin, or editor, or author. You can assign different people different role, or you can have multiple admins or multiple authors. You can do anything right there. And basically plugins are some kind of extra functionality boosters. Like if you want any kind of slider, there is a slider plugin. If you want to improve the SEO, there is a lot of SEO plugins, right? And under the appearance section you can literally change out the layout of the website, how you want the layout to be looked by your user. Okay, so today we are going to see the layout section under the theme one. And this is the theme industro. I have already uploaded it but not activated it. Let me show you how our website looks right now and how it will look after the installation of the theme. Okay, it's loading. It's looking pretty basic, and we'll click on add new to upload our theme. But by default WordPress provide you a n number of free theme, right? So why I am using a premium theme? There are a lot of difference between premium and a free theme, right? So basically free theme are not that much customizable, and their responsiveness over the mobile perspective is pretty low. And when it comes to AdSense, the money perspective, their conversion rates are pretty low. So I generally prefer you people that whenever you start your website and you have a little bit of money to invest properly on your brand, then always invest that small amount of money to buying a good theme for your business. That will really help you out in the future, right? So once you have downloaded the file on your system, you need to upload it. Click on choose file, and here is the file. I will upload it. Click on install, and the upload process start. That upload will be it uploading the file from a system to the website, right? So I have already uploaded the file. If I'm not wrong, I will just come here and activate the particular plugin. As you can see, it has been activated, and now our theme is suggesting us to install some kind of recommended plugins. So basically, what are recommended plugins? A theme consists of multiple functionality, right? and each and every functionality is totally dependent upon some kind of certain plugin, and if that plugin is missing out of your theme, then your website won't work properly, or that particular functionality won't work properly. For example, if your website has a slider, right, and you don't have the slider plugin in backend running, right, so then the slider functionality won't work properly on the front end. So basically, whenever a theme gives you notification or pop up something like saying to install some kind of certain plugin, never ignore those messages. Always install all the plugin which has been recommended by your theme. Okay, so you need to click on being install plugin, because I have already installed that's why it's showing activate. The process is pretty simple. You just need to click on bulk action and install that. I have already installed it because it is a little bit of time consuming. So once it is installed, you need to activate the plugin. Never activate plugin from this section, okay, because this take a lot of time. Always activate by clicking on plugin, install plugin, click on bulk action and activate. This will take like couple of seconds, then it will be activated. As you can see, it has been activated successfully. Now our time is to install some kind of demo content on our website. Let's see how our website looks right now. Earlier it was used to be like this, and now it is something like this. The layout and the structure of our website has been changed, but this is not yet. We need to install a proper demo content or a structure of our website. So to import the demo content, you need to come to appearance section, and here import demo data. Click here and click on this button, import demo data, and it will automatically start importing all the demo content from the official website to your domain. You just need to wait for a couple of minutes, right? So I'll catch you in the next session when it is completed. Okay, so as you can see, demo content has been imported successfully on our website. Let's check how our website looks right now. Okay, so here it is. If I'm not wrong, this is the website, how it is looking right now. I am pretty excited that this is a well designed website, right? And if you check out the footer, everything has been imported successfully. There is a contact form so that you can reach out to the admin or the manager of this website. And the best part about this website is that this is also mobile optimized, or if you click on the menu, you will get a really beautiful looking menu. You need to just set up the menu section from the appearance section from backend. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, if I click on this inspect and check out the mobile view, everything is optimized very perfectly in the mobile sections also, right? So I am pretty sure if you want to buy a theme which is generally based upon the industrial work or something like that, this is the best thing out. This is the best theme out there for your business, right? So I hope you really like this video. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.